Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn With Me. In our last video, we have talked about header elements, which was the second episode of Web Development HTML course. In today's video, we will talk about paragraphs. Even though today's video might be a very short video, yet it is crucial to building every single website there is online. So as you can see, this is our code from our last video, which is basically 1 till 6 header tags. If you don't know about header tags, I would recommend watching the first episode before you come here. Now let's talk about P. This is our previous code. As you can see, the website is working. Now let's add an element called HR tag. Now as you can see, this HR tag, unlike header tags, is not two tags. It's a single tag that is closing by itself. After that, we have paragraphs, set at paragraphs, and then I'm going to explain what is HR and what is paragraphs. Okay, as you can see, HR is basically a line. It is called horizontal line. You can customize it, but this means this is what an HR is. While paragraph is very small text that you can put. Lorem ipsum is a text generator. You can say lorem and the amount of words you read. So I said 10. As you can see, it will give me lorem 10. I want something more. I can say lorem 20. And I'm going to save it and show you guys. First, let me put it in two lines so it's more visible. Let's save it and show you. As you can see, it makes a dummy text for me to put in that place. That was a very simple yet informative video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed or learned something, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.